Alright guys, now we're on our final example problem 3 from chapter 1. And this one involves solving a double linear inequality. So our instructions for this problem is to solve the inequality and write the solution in interval notation. So here is our inequality that we're solving. So 2 is less than or equal to 4 minus 2x over 5, which is less than or equal to 6. Then we multiply the left side, middle, and right side by 5. So whatever you do to the middle part, you have to do to all parts, the left and the right. So when we multiply by 5, we get a 10 over here. The 5 down here goes away, and we get 30 over here. Then subtract 4 from each part. So subtract 4 from 10, 6. Subtract 4 from 30, 26. Here's our new one. It's looking better now. Then divide all parts by -2. When you divide by a negative number, when solving inequalities, you have to flip the signs. So since we're dividing by -2 in both parts, we have to flip both of these. So then our new equality would now read -3 is greater than or equal to x, which is greater than or equal to 13. -13, I'm sorry. Then write your solution in standard form. That means put the lower value first and the higher value last. So flip the signs back to how they were, but write it correctly. So this looks normal to most people, more than that does. So we're just saying it backwards from what that says. So -13 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to -3. It means the same thing, it's just written differently. So then we're going to write your answer in interval notation because that's what the problem asked us to do. And interval notation is written as an ordered pair. So you'll use brackets on both sides of the ordered pair because both of the values are equal to x. So when we're using interval notation, we're just taking what we're saying here and putting it in an ordered pair. And if it's equal to x, you use a bracket. If it was not equal, like if there wasn't a line underneath of that, you just use a regular parenthesis, but it is equal on both parts, so it's both brackets. So we have -13 comma -3 with brackets around both sides, and it's an interval notation, and that's your final answer.